Welcome to this week's weather briefing for western and central Wyoming. Today is December 4th. This was produced by the National Weather Service in Riverton. And today we're going to discuss the weekend ahead, take a look into next week, and we'll discuss the long range, the next 2 weeks, the next month, and the next 3 months. So let's get started. Alright, here's a look at your week ahead. We'll start off with some light snow across the west and dry conditions elsewhere. That light snow will end Friday as a high pressure ridge moves in. And then Saturday will continue with some dry and mostly sunny conditions. Sunday, some light snow could move back into the west and maybe even clip far northern Wyoming, and that'll be Saturday night and Sunday, with dry conditions elsewhere. And then taking a look in the next week, snow will end Monday across the west, but could return Tuesday and Wednesday. And generally dry conditions are expected into next week for other areas. And some above average temperatures will be expected next week and will also be expected this weekend. And you can see these forecasted temperatures right here. Look at how they kind of remain a consistent temperature, and these are mild for this time of year. Let's take a look at the weather pattern, and here's starting off Thursday afternoon. We have this moist westerly flow which could bring some snow across the west, dry conditions elsewhere, and a few breezy conditions across the usual wind-prone areas, and those are the wind corridor from Rock Springs to Casper and across the Cody foothills. Friday, a high pressure ridge will move into the area, and this will dry out things across the west and will bring mainly dry conditions even into the start of the weekend, and will end those breezy winds. Sunday, we have a disturbance that kind of pushes across the area, and this could return light snow across the west, and depending on how far south this disturbance goes, could maybe even clip in far northern Wyoming with some very light snow. And those breezy winds will return across the usual areas. By Monday, though, another high pressure ridge builds in, ending chances for light snow across the west. However, a few weak disturbances in the flow could bring some more light snow Tuesday and Wednesday across the west. Those breezy winds we discussed will diminish Monday but could return again Tuesday and Wednesday for the usual areas, and our mild temperatures continue into next week. Here's kind of the overall summary in our next 4-day snow forecast, and as you can see, we're not expecting a lot of snow for the next 4 days, generally 2 to 6 inches across the west. And just recall, we'll have those above normal temperatures expected and some breezy winds at times. And now taking a look out further, here's our next 2-week forecast, kind of our outlook. So we're in a good chance of above normal temperatures and a slight chance of below normal precipitation for the next 2 weeks. And here's our month outlook. Slight chance of above normal temperatures with equal chances to maybe slightly below normal precipitation. And our 3-month outlook, December through February, we're a slight chance of above normal temperatures and equal chances of precipitation. So that means there's equal chances for above or below normal precipitation. We thank you for watching this week's weather briefing. You can call us anytime with any questions at our 1-800 number up here, or you can find us on Facebook and Twitter.